Hey y'all, how y'all doing? So I want to show y'all something really fast, okay? I want to show y'all what is up with this. Why does it look like this and this look like this? This don't give. This does not give. But I can fix it, and I'm gonna show you how to fix that, okay? So I was gifted a boob tape kit from Busties on Amazon, and I'm gonna show y'all everything that comes in this kit, okay? All right, so what's included in the kit are nipple covers. So we have a silicone covers and we have the stagnant covers to protect your nips. You need that. And then you have the tape itself. I'm gonna show y'all a little basic tutorial on how I put it on or how you will put it on, okay? So if you never used boob tape before, this is just a basic tutorial. You're gonna need scissors and your tape and your boob. All right, so just basically what you're gonna do is take your tape and you're gonna measure from the bottom of your boob into like your shoulder area. So I want mine lifted up, so boom. And when you measure that part, you just, give a little estimate to yourself on where to cut. And on the back of here, you have lines to where you need to cut. This also stretches so you don't have to have it like, say you want it here and you want it cupped to like here. You don't have to cut exactly to where you're gonna tape it, right? So you can go a little bit below so it can actually lift up. And I'm gonna just do that, okay? But before I tape, remember the satin covers and the silicone covers. You need that to protect your nips. So apply this cover. There already has a little paper on there. You unwrap the paper and you stick it on like a little sticker. Do that and then apply the tape, okay? Okay, obviously I'm back with my tape applied because the girl's sitting how they need to be sitting. Because gravity was doing what it was doing at first, but now it can't do that. So shout out to Busties for sending me the boob tape kit. Shop, get Busties on Amazon and follow them on TikTok and Instagram. So y'all have a nice night.